It's winter. I know. Welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we are going to take you to a very spectacular townhouse at 122 West 132nd Street. That's right. We're in Harlem, baby. You just missed some really good music that came by. That's okay. I'm sure we'll see some later on. So Harlem is going to be from 110 up to 150th Street and from St. Nicholas over to the Harlem River. Those are going to be your boundaries. So Harlem as a whole is a very large area. Of course, there's little neighborhoods that we'll get to in the future episodes, but that is going to be Harlem for you. I'm sure you know Harlem has been featured in tons of movies. It's known for the Apollo Theater. They have fantastic restaurants, which we'll get to when we find a stoop, and some fantastic prices. Transportation-wise, though, it's great. You can take the express trains up to 125th from 59th Street, literally 59 to 125th. And then there's a lot of stops in between if you want to go local, and it goes from 125th then up to 145th. So it's actually a really great location if you still need to get to Midtown or even downtown fast and you want to take public transportation instead of a car, or it's so close to the West Side Highway. So why not have your townhouse here? You're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. Can't wait to show you around. Well, as you know, we're on a stoop, so we have to talk about food. All right, I highly recommend you should check out Sylvia's. So Sylvia's is known for their soul food, their Southern comfort food. It's absolutely amazing. Check that out. Of course, we wouldn't be in Harlem and not mention the Red Rooster. The Red Rooster is such an iconic place. So cute, so chic. They have fabulous cocktails, delicious food as well. Then if you want something to kind of change it up, Room 623 is a fabulous jazz speakeasy. It's located on 116th Street. They also serve food while you're enjoying some fabulous jazz music. It's open up a few nights of the week. You get your reservations online. I've been there 3 or 4 times. I can't help myself. I love jazz music. And why not have it at a speakeasy? That just makes it so much cooler, right? And last but certainly not least is Lido. It is located on 117th Street. And Lido's is Italian. It is fabulous food, but it's also vegan. So if you are conscious about what you're eating and you want to go vegan, Lido is a neighborhood favorite for sure. So check that one out. All right. Well, since this is a real estate show, let's start talking about the real estate. So you're going to get a 1-bedroom at an average of $630,000. Your 2 beds are going to be at an average of $880,000. And your 3 beds, you're looking at $1 million and over. But something really nice about Harlem is that there are a lot of HDFC buildings, which means that they have affordable housing. So you could easily get a 2-bedroom for $300 or a 3-bedroom for under $500 for sure. Townhouses are going to be somewhere between 1.5 and 3 million. And one of the nice things about the townhouses is that there's a lot of investment opportunity. There's a lot of multifamilies up here. So it might be something where you want to buy one or buy a townhouse, live in one unit and rent out the rest. It's a great way to grow wealth. I highly recommend it. I mean, come on. Look at these townhouses. Don't you just want to live in it? Yes, yes we do. This just in, Santa lives in Harlem. We have had a sighting. Okay, I am so excited, Rachel. Thank you so much for having us back.
Oh, you're very, very welcome. But just so you know, these books, you can't touch them after you took the coffee book from the other townhouse. So just be careful.
That seems fair. My coffee isn't any better, but besides that, tell me about this. Tell me about this beautiful townhouse.
Okay, so where do you want me to start?
Yeah, tell me about the street, 132nd.
It's an amazing and beautifully run street. I mean, there's so many pristine townhomes on this block. I get off the bus right on 132nd and walk in. So the townhouse was built from ground up, not built from scratch, but renovated, got renovated ground up.
Gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. It's got everything you can think of. It has all the security systems. It's a smart home. It's got heated floors in all the bathrooms. The first floor, as you can see, has a huge living room, dining room, separated, and open kitchen. So if somebody is like a chef or loves to cook, it's amazing. You walk through the living room and you're down in your backyard, private, pristine, and huge. You could put grills down there, and even a living room, dining room, everything fits in there. Somebody came and said that they wanted to put a jacuzzi or whatnot. And
that's what winter is for, by the way, for enjoying a jacuzzi. Otherwise, I don't like it.
it's, if you go and see the backyard, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's
love it.
unbelievable. It's south facing and north facing. Who doesn't want a house that's south and north facing? You always get the south light streaming in, and then you get a steady northbound throughout the day. So the house is never going to be dark. Some of the times when I come for showings and I'm leaving, I feel like I left the lights on. It's the two skylights that are up there, and it's unbelievable.
I love it. How many floors?
Exactly. So you go down to the basement and you have the living room. This is one living room. You have a basement living room and you have an upstairs living room. So in one townhouse, you've got 3 living seating areas. Downstairs has a living room, a kitchenette. It has a sink and, fridge and wine fridge, and open to the garden. Plus, they did something really cute. There's a door that separates a huge 1-bedroom, really nice, pristine, closet, full shower, everything with an AC, separated for them, that you can separate. You can rent it out, or you can give it to family members that come, and you can close off the door so you have your privacy and they have their privacy. It's amazing.
So nice.
Yes, so nice. You go upstairs to the primary. We viewed it a little bit. It's a huge, lovely primary bedroom, south facing. So you can imagine the sun, huge, ginormous closet.
Oh, can't wait to see
shower that's a rain shower. It's huge, like 3 people can fit in it. A huge bathtub and 2 vanities. It's gorgeously done. All the bathrooms in the entire townhouse, I don't want to repeat myself, have heated floors. Then you go upstairs and now you have 2 bedrooms. One bedroom has an ensuite bath and the other one is separated outside. So if you have guests, if you have children, they can have their own bathroom. And again, like I said, another living room. I mean, in one townhouse, you have 3 living room dens that you can sit, work, do whatever you want.
So what is the square footage on this place?
It's 4,300 square feet.
Nice.
And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Everything you can think of, they've thought about and they've done it for you. Security system, Wi-Fi is already stowed away.
Speakers.
Speakers are all in the ceilings everywhere. All the wiring is in the walls already done. It's an HVAC unit, by the way, so all you have to do is hook up the hose and you can vacuum the whole house. Last thing, there's another added value. In the basement, there is the finished basement that you could use for storage, for gym, for whatever you want.
Nice.
What else? It's not the basement, it's a cellar, but whatever you call it.
Yeah.
So what do you have missing in this house? Anything you can think of?
It's actually really quiet too.
Amazingly quiet. I've shown it at noon and I've shown it at 4 p.m. Same sound. Nothing. No sound.
Okay, so if you have been dreaming about living in a townhouse, as far as I'm concerned, this is such a great option, because especially if you're coming from somewhere else, you want a sense of community, which I feel like this neighborhood has so much community. I would say even more than most of the Manhattan
Wait,
neighborhoods.
didn't you say Santa lives here in Harlem?
He did. We had a spotting.
Okay,
We had
there
a
you
spotting.
go. Santa lives here. You don't want to come? You can get gifts. But
Santa
wait,
approved.
just to get this kind of square footage and such low taxes, where would you find
What
it?
are the taxes?
$5,000
For the year?
for the year.
Listen,
And
Five-
this much square footage?
this is amazing. Yeah, you're right. This is such a great neighborhood for that. I was looking at a townhouse the other day, and it was like $170,000 for the taxes for the year. So yeah, $5,000 for the year is a really, really, really great price. Phenomenal.
It's amazing.
And I also feel like this neighborhood is such a great value add neighborhood, because there's so many buildings that are turning over into single family, 2 families, and you're getting in early. This neighborhood is booming. The restaurants are becoming better and better. The places and attractions to go to are better and better.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I can't rant and rave about it.
Yeah.
Enough.
The closets are alive with the sound of shoe sections. La, 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 la. So do you like taking baths?
Not at all. I hate it, as a matter of fact. What about you?
Yeah, I'm really not a tub person. I think they're kind of disgusting.
So why are we sitting here?
Well, this bathroom is the best bathroom I've ever seen in my life. For sure. Actually, this tub would make me want to take a bath. But I'm kind of lying. I love baths. I like bubble baths, to be clear. Tell us more about the bathroom.
Well, one of the biggest deals is the rainfall shower, and then we have the separate bath, 2 vanities, 3 windows that you can have sun coming in. Of course, you're going to cover it because who takes a shower with open windows? But
Some people do.
Heated floors, and what else do you want in a bathroom?
Oh, honestly,
This is amazing.
this is so amazing. I love it. Can we just stay?
I think so. Why'd you make me sit here, by the way? I'm not comfortable.
I don't know. It just seemed fun. Okay, tell me about the primary floor. This is amazing.
I mean, it's unbelievable. Look at the windows. Look at the height of the windows. Look at, it's south facing, so you get so much light. And the entire floor is, of course, just the primary floor. Now look at that closet that you were dancing in just a minute ago. And you've got your own private bathroom that has the rainfall showers and the bathtub to take a bath in, 2 vanities. I mean, what else do you want? All the lights are, recessed in the ceiling, which you don't even need. And the speakers are in the ceiling. Like, this room is just like so romantic, so serene and bright.
Yes, and it's so bright. And it's even a cloudy, gross day outside, and it's still really bright.
It's never, ever dark in this apartment. Never dark in this townhouse.
Yeah, they did a lot of really great finishes.
Amazing, pristine. Everything is done for you. Just bring in your toothbrush, as they say. It really is true.
I love it. All right, on to the next. Okay, well, listen, this has been so amazing. Thank you so much. And I know that Rachel would love to show us the unit if you're interested. Of course, reach out. Let's come back. Let's see her. Let's have some fun. And thank you again for your time. Bye.
You're very welcome. Oh God, I wonder what she's taking this time. She took the book, but oh my God, the pillow, she took it.
Okay, a few more quick things about Harlem. Definitely check out the Apollo Theater. It's a fantastic spot. And if you want to live in New York City in a place that feels like community, this is absolutely it. We actually just recently sold a spot on 120th Street, and they have an entire Instagram account dedicated to that one street. They do events for the neighbors on that street. They do fundraisers on that street. I've seen them teaching lessons for drums on that street. It's amazing. It's a sense of community that you don't get. Honestly, I think you don't get that almost anywhere else in New York City. Sorry, Manhattan, but it is absolutely phenomenal. I highly, highly recommend Harlem. And quite frankly, if you are thinking about a place to purchase, I'm sorry, did you get a load of that fabulous townhouse we just left? Of course, Rachel, she's amazing. I adore her. Let's go see her again. Send this to someone that you know. And as always, we at the Wheelock team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. So send this to someone we can help, or set an appointment with me and we'll go back and see it. Bye, guys.